Right now is a very exciting time to be a dentist or be in the field of dentistry because things are evolving so quickly. So with the technology we have today, we can be more precise, more efficient, and less appointments for the patients. By having 3D printers and photogrammetry and all the technology we have in hand, we can literally combine 10 appointments to one and have a patient walk out of the door with brand new set of teeth within an hour or two. In the past few years, we slowly have invested into the best and the latest. What has really revolutionized our process has been the photogrammetry, where we can, within few seconds, we can get 100% accuracy of the position of the implant, relay that to our designer, and they can design teeth that we can then 3D print within 20 to 30 minutes and deliver that the same day. The 3D printers with the photogrammetry, with the digital scanners, we can digitize the patient's face and teeth and not only make him something that can function, but it looks real. It looks so good that, I had a patient come to me and they say, I went out after the surgery and people thought I had full set of veneers. Where in reality, they just had the All-on-X procedure done.